Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change invoice number in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, if you want to change for example, we go ahead over to sales right here, invoice, and for example, just this draft, okay? When you click on edit, you have the invoice number right here, okay? By default, it is sent to inv, or for short, invoice, okay? 00, multiple zeros, and the series of number, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now, if you want to change this one, all right, let's say you don't want to manually input invoice number, so on and so forth, okay? Just go ahead over to settings right here at the top right. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and find customizations right here. As you can see, we have transaction number series. Click on it and just find a prefix right here in this column. And you have here in invoice. Just basically click on edit. Now you can go and change this one to invoice number. Okay. And once that's done, the starting number, if you want to edit this one to like maybe no zeros, just delete the zeros right here. All right. Restarting number, none, or yearly. And the preview right here. When you hit on save, it will change. There you go. Now, when you close the setting, so go to invoices again, click on the plus sign, and as you can see, here we have now the new invoice. But if you just want to edit an invoice that you already created, just click on invoices right here, click on one, let's say this one right here, edit, just change it, okay? And there you have it. Just make sure to add in a note because this one is already sent, or this invoice has been sent. You would want to take down some notes right here. Changed the prefix for invoice, just like so. Hit on save. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.